Hello, good afternoon.
Can you open please?
Sorry. Thank you.
You think this is the right answer? Let's hear you. Come on, don't be shy. If you think this is the right answer, clap for this one. Is that all clear? Let's go. This is Israel. More than half of the area of Israel is covered in desert. Almost 4,000 students come to the Israeli desert each year from 30 countries around the world. So what do you think? Why do they come? For a massive peace party in the desert? Give a round of applause if you think that's true. Or to participate in agriculture training programs. Let's give it a clap if you think that's right. Well, it's true, the parties in Israel are excellent. But 4,000 students come each year to participate in special agricultural training programs that help them become entrepreneurs in their own countries. Despite the desert conditions in Israel, agriculture flourishes. And we share this knowledge with over 30 countries, affecting 300 million people in the process. So, let's play. What do you know? What percentage of fresh produce that Israel exports globally is grown in extreme desert conditions? And what percentage is from typical agricultural land? Do you think this is the right answer? Go ahead and laugh, it's okay. Or do you think option B is the right answer? Come on, don't be bashful. Let's hear you. Well, it was close, but the amazing truth is that 60% of the fruit, vegetables, and flowers that Israel exports around the world is grown in extreme desert conditions. Life in the desert has taught the inhabitants of Israel how to use water wisely, and Israel is a world leader in water loss prevention. More than half of the water used for agriculture is recycled, and 80% of the drinking water is desalinated seawater. And we don't keep this to ourselves. Since its establishment, Israel has lent a supporting hand to countries around the world, especially developing countries. The Israel Aid Agency maintains connections with over 140 countries, from the largest being China and India, and the tiny islands in the Pacific. Asia, Africa, Europe. From which continent does Israel get its diversity of flora and fauna? Is it Asia? Come on, let's hear it for Asia. Is it Africa? Go Africa, come on! Or maybe it's Europe, Asia, and Africa. All together. You are right, but not completely. Israel enjoys a spectacular biodiversity of flora and fauna from all three continents: Africa, Asia, and Europe. That's pretty amazing, isn't it? Thanks to its unique location between three continents, Israel boasts both the lowest sea and the northernmost coral reef on Earth. And every year, more than half a billion birds pass through the skies of Israel on their way to the Great Migration to warmer lands.
Welcome at the center, please. Welcome at the center point. Gee.
Can't find the right zone? I know how that feels. I'm in Israel. My father's family is Arab. My mother's family, Jewish. Quite a challenge when you're looking for the right zone. Lucy, by the way. Great meeting you. So, forget about the right tone, people. Follow the beat. There's a beat to this world, a rhythm, a pulse. Can you hear it? It comes from everywhere. From the east, from the west, from the shamal, from the janub. It is our beat marching together to the future. At this very moment, somewhere around the world, a new idea is born. And another one on the other side of the world. Each one of these ideas may change our future. How do I know? See for yourselves. Maestro, take us there. See it, hear it, feel it. It's everywhere. In the cities, in the fields, in the open air, in the ocean, in the wilderness, in the skies above us, in the soil beneath our feet. Let's go together into a world where ancient landscape meets the 21st century. A world of genuine creativity. It's everywhere. It's in the soil of the desert we may come to life. In the knowledge we happily share. Let's go into a world of environmental responsibility. It's in the energy of the sun we learn to collect. In the water that gives us life. A connected world guiding all of us towards a brilliant future. A protected world where we can utilize big data and artificial intelligence. A world that will be the meeting point of all brilliant ideas. Let's go into a world of scientific breakthroughs. Nature-friendly compostable packaging. A perfect steak created in a lab. Healthy protein-based sugar. A 3D printed artificial heart. What would they think of next? Let's go into a world of equal opportunities for all people. A world of diversity and cultural richness. A world of meaningful, beautiful, wonderful ingenuity. And what about your tone? Your unique voice. And all these beautiful, different voices, all these hearts and minds pounding as one. The world needs more voices, more ideas, more connections. The world wants to hear your voice. Let's hear you. Yalla. Simple as that. All tomorrow of faith and trust and hope. مستقبل من الإيمان والثقة والأمل. An open invitation to the beyond, where the sky and earth share one thin line, where opposites kiss, where differences rhyme, where the future patiently waits for its time. For, you see, we are different, but difference makes us strong. We all play music at different tones, but on a beat, it creates a song. We look forward, we move forward, connecting hearts and minds. Listen to the beat, it rumbles tomorrow, for this is our time. Listen to this. Listen. People of the world, we are the greatest creators in the world, and tomorrow is our greatest creation ever. Let's go there, together. Recuerda, every time.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.